Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you in the market for some really comfortable everyday socks? Check out these from Mr. Davis. So my husband loves these socks so much. He has so many of them. And the reason he likes them is because they are so comfortable, they are moisture wicking, and they stay in place. So these are a over the calf sock and they really stay put all day, which he really loves. They come in tons of different colors. This is the navy pixel and this is a 3-pack of socks, and they are a really nice pattern. They go with everything, which is really nice, and they're machine washable and dryable. The toe and the heel have a nice amount of cushion, so they're very comfortable, and there's a little bit of compression in the arch of the foot to help prevent fatigue as well. So no matter what you're doing, these socks are going to keep you comfortable, keep you cool and dry, and help to prevent blisters or any type of discomfort. So if you need some really good everyday socks, I would definitely check these out from Mr. Davis. We love them, and that's my point of view.